Hey, my name is Mark Tacna and welcome back to my channel, The Media Nerd.
Hooray!
In this exciting, one-of-a-kind, never-done-before video, I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison capturing Super 8mm film using the Wolverine versus capturing it by projecting it onto a screen and using a camera to capture the image. I hear that this is going to be an amazing film. It's a comedy, and it has a tomatoes rating of like 25. So make sure to grab your popcorn. This is gonna be amazing. Let's get started. In this corner, weighing in at who knows how many pounds, the Wolverine Pro, capturing 1080p at 20 frames per second in an MP4 format versus the Elmo GS1200 Super 8mm with sound, even though it's not using any sound, with its partner, the Sony FS700 camera with a shutter speed of 24, ISO 1600 at 1080, 24p, capturing at MP4 AVCHD. Let's get ready to capture. I'm in Final Cut 10 and I imported both clips. This clip that I'm showing right now is shot using the Elmo projector and capturing with the Sony camera on a screen. The image is really dark. I tried to expose it the best I possibly could manually, but everything is really dark. The little boy running, you can barely tell that he's wearing a blue outfit. The sky is so dark. It's not that great. Now let's jump over to the Wolverine picture. You can already tell, here's a little boy. He has such a nice blue outfit going on. Look at the sky up here. The sky is really amazing. It's nice and blue. You can see the clouds, see the green of the tree, the animals are running through. Here we are, a side-by-side comparison. Look at the Elmo on the left with the Sony, the Wolverine on the right. It is so much better, such a cleaner picture.
This film was definitely not a comedy. It was a drama. And it was the saddest film I've ever seen. So make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. And while you're at it, share this video with a friend, because sharing is caring. Have a nice day.